Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are doing well. You know that it's your revision week and we are going to start from the chapter number 1, which is formulas in Excel 2013. So in this chapter you have learned about cell range and references using formulas, error results, auto sum features and function library. You know that the formula is consist of these four things, means it can be anything. For example, always starts from equal signs. Then there can be values, there can be cell references, there can be some functions and operators. So your first topic is cell and cell references. When you select single cell, it will be just A1. Actually, cell references or cell address is the address of that particular cell. You know that a single entry, for example, this is a cell of this Excel sheet. Then there are different formats are given to select the rows by giving the commands. For example, if you want to select the cell A1, then give cell A1. If you want to select the rows from B1 to B20, you have to give this formula. If you want to select the cell ranges of different columns, then you will give B4 to B4. So the line number 4 will be selected from B to D. So there are some others. Then using formula, how to use a formula. The first step is you will write the formula in the formula bar, which is right here. Then you have to select some cells or give the formula. In this case, we are going to select all these this and this cell to sum it, means to add these three cells. So we will give the formula here. B2, this cell has the address B2 plus C because it's present in C2, and then plus C2. When we will give this formula here, so and press enter, there will be the total will becomes in this cell. Just have a look here. When you give the formula here, it will get total here. There is another method which is pointing. You can also add the addresses of the cells by pointing on them. For example, if you select this cell, B2 is already first you have to select this cell. After that, press equals to, then press this cell. The address will be written here. Then you have to press plus sign, then this cell. So all the formula will be written here, and you just press enter to get the solution. Then the next topic is absolute, relative and mixed references. What is a relative reference? Relative reference is those references which can change when you copy it to the other cells. For example, in this cell there is the formula A3 multiplied by B3 and multiplied by C3. So when you copy same formula till row 6, it will be changed. For this cell it will be A4, B4 and C4. Just have a look. In this picture, when you click on it, you will see that there is the formula changed. When you click on the row number 5, the formula is different from this one because they just change the row number, they do not change the column. This is called the relative referencing or giving the relative formula. Then comes the absolute. Absolute references are those references in which formula do not change. For this purpose, we have to write the formula like this: $A $1. This is the column, this is the row. This dollar sign is attached to some row or column to fix it. So, for example, in this case, only this is fixed, it will be changed. Okay, so see, when you select this one, formula will be this. When you select this one, there will be same this digits or alphabets, but these will be different. These will be A4 and B4, but $D and $1 will be same. Okay, then there comes the mixed references. These mixed references are those when you want to fix just a column or just a row. For example, if you want to fix the column A, it will be you will give the dollar sign with A. If you want to fix the row number 1, it will be fixed there. So mixed references is when you mix these, you just give the reference to absolute reference to one thing, row or column. Then there comes the circular reference. Circular references are those references which contains the cell address in which you are going to uh, apply the formula. For example, in this is the A3 cell, and you are giving the formula here containing A3, means this value contain the value which will become here contains the value which is comes from by adding these three. So this is the circular references, and it is not correct. The Excel will show you a dialog box to recheck your formula. So your next topic is text formulas. Text formulas are those formulas in which you just concatenate means to join the string or a text is called the string. So when you want to concatenate or join two columns or cells in which there are words are given, so you will use the text formulas, which will be written like this. You have to give the address of first column, then you will add the ampersand sign. This is used to concatenate. Then this shows the space which is comes here. Then again we will concatenate this to this, then give the address of B1. So when you press enter, the values of these two cells will be given here. Then your next topic is mathematical operators used in formulas. These mathematical formulas are used to create formulas. You know that how to that we use these operators in our formulas. These are the different operators that are given to you. You can use them like this. Then comes the error results. When you press anything wrong in the formula, or it will give you a message will be that will be like these. So there is the reasons are given that when any error looks like this, there will be reason of this. Then if the computer show you this type of error, there will be the reason like this. Then comes the AutoSum feature. It is the inbuilt feature in Excel that you can apply to your Excel sheet, that it will give you automatically sum feature, means you can add the numbers, you can even subtract the numbers. There are several options given in this feature. This feature is used when there are several type of when you have too much data and you cannot give this address of each cell number. Then you just apply the AutoSum feature and give the range of your choice and apply the AutoSum feature. There are several other AutoSum features which contains average. Average, you know that what is the average? So when you want average of some numbers, you can just apply that average feature automatically, and it will calculate and give you the answer. For example, if you want to calculate the average of these three columns, then just apply the average function here and give the cell range, so it will be calculated. And you can even calculate the maximum and the minimum. These all features are automatically given there. You just have to use the function names. For example, max for maximum, then min for minimum, and average you have to write average in the full form. Then You can even count the numbers. Then you have to for count the numbers, you have to give the count function. Just count, you have to give the word count. Then there are function libraries present in your formulas tab, through which you can apply some other functions, which are, for example, GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. It is given in the math and trig option. When you click on it, you will see that there are different type of formulas are given there. When you apply these, it will give you the desired option, but you have to select the cells for which you are going to calculate. Same for the LCM. LCM is the, you know, that least common multiple. You have to select the numbers or the cells and apply a formula from there, and its LCM will be calculated here. Then here comes that how you can create a formula using the insert function. Do you know that Excel allow you to create your own formula? Creating formula means that you want to, for example, if you want to take LCM of two numbers, then you want that some other number will be add from here, so you apply sum on it. So there are the steps written here through which you can apply the formula. Then these questions are very easy, and I hope you have done all of these, and don't worry, your assessment will be very easy. If you find any difficulty, just comment on this video. I will answer you. Whatever you don't understand, just ask from me. Best of luck for your assessments.